Hello, Accounting 202 students. This is Professor Hassey. It's Sunday, April 26th, and this is our Week 12 introduction to our course. I have posted and completed the grading of examination number 2. The solutions and grades are posted to Blackboard for you to review. Any questions, please let me know. This week we're talking about Chapter 11, Standard Costs. And here's a little introduction video to introduce our chapter to you.
In this chapter, you learn about standard costs and variance analysis. How does this differ from budgetary control? The budget focuses on totals, that is, total sales, total materials, total labor costs, etc. This is useful, but to truly understand your operations, you need to evaluate your costs at the unit level. Companies frequently do this by setting standards for materials, labor, and overhead, and then investigating deviations from those standards. Suppose, for example, that you determined that your total materials costs exceeded your budget estimates. You will need to figure out why it is higher. There could be a variety of reasons. For example, maybe the purchasing department had to pay a higher price for raw materials, or maybe you used more materials than you originally planned. This could happen if the purchasing department got a great price, but it turned out that the materials were inferior, so you ended up wasting a lot of materials. Alternatively, maybe you used too many materials because the production department didn't monitor operations closely enough, and so a lot of defective goods were produced. Variance analysis enables you to evaluate your operations at a more refined level so you can more accurately identify how to improve your operations.
So this week we'll be talking about standard costs from Chapter 11, both price standard and quantity standard. And we'll be looking at exercises 3 and 4 tomorrow, and on Wednesday, problem 11-2A. That will be leading our discussion about this chapter. Also Wednesday you'll be getting a quiz due next Sunday, May 3rd on chapters 10 and 11. So quiz work this coming week. Getting a little punchy. This quarantine's driving me nuts. So that's what we have looking forward to this week, Chapter 11 on standards. So looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow morning. Hope you're all as well, and we'll see you then. Thanks, everybody.